Hello and welcome to another What's Inside. It's Trading Card Tuesdays, so this time we're looking at William Stout Lost Worlds collector cards. These are from Comic Images, and there's 90 cards in the set with 6 chromium chase cards. There's 10 cards per pack. Let's see what we've got inside of here. Alright, so inside of our first pack we have number 81, Perfumed Peril. Next up we have card number 31. Followed by card number 46. Followed by card number 54 of the Cowardly Lion. Then we have card number 21. Next we have number 71. Then number 43. This is a redesign of the He-Man from He-Man and the Masters of the Universe. I think William Stout, if I remember correctly, did work on the movie with Dolph Lundgren. Then we have card number 1. Next up we have card number 39. And finally number 84. Alright, let's open up our other pack and see what we have in there. Alright, first off we have number 18, Under a Blood Red Sky. This looks like a puzzle piece. Number 64, more golden eggs. And number 75. And number 9. This one is number 78. That's really cool looking. We have number 25. Followed by number 47. Then number 12. I really like that one. That's really cool looking. Then number 7. And finally, number 69. These cards have held up pretty well. They have a good thickness to them. They do kind of stick together, but not because the coating is so cheap. It's just the fact that the coating is glossy, and they do kind of stick together for some reason. And there's a fly in here. But nice cards all around. The art is fantastic. Really cool stuff. Some great homages to older things like Wizard of Oz, Masters of the Universe, Buster Crab. So, yeah, some really cool stuff. These are really nice images. This is definitely a good collection for anyone that's into fantasy art or superhero stuff, or pulp magazines, that sort of thing. Some great art on here. So, legendary William Stout Lost Worlds collection cards from Comic Images. These are definitely worth tracking down. These are from '93. So I would definitely recommend these. I think they're really cool, especially if you really like the art. If you're a trading card aficionado, you'll probably want to add these just because they're so cool looking. So that's just my take. That's going to wrap this one up. We've seen what you might pull out of here. They're randomly inserted. And there's a good chance you could get the chromium cards. So that's kind of cool too. There's only 6 of those. That's nice. But unfortunately, we didn't get any today. But thank you so much for listening and supporting the channel. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss future reviews. If you want to help the channel in other ways, links are in the description and on the About page. And as always, we hope to see you on the next one.